Hey, it's Emily from SupplyHouse.com, and in this video we're going to talk about the Rinnai RUC98IN Condensing Tankless Water Heater. Providing homeowners with an endless supply of hot water, energy savings, and environmental benefits, the Rinnai Ultra Series provides an innovative condensing tankless water heater design. The RUC98IN is an indoor unit featuring a 3/4 inch gas connection for a max input of 199,000 BTUs and can achieve an energy factor of 0.95. Ultra Series units support both concentric and twin pipe PVC venting, which means that no adapter is necessary to give you twice the venting options on every installation. Similar in size to a carry-on suitcase, the RUC98IN is 26 inches tall by 18.5 inches wide by 10 inches deep. It operates on 120 volts and can reach flow rates of up to 9.8 gallons per minute at a 30-degree temperature rise and 5.6 gallons per minute at a 60-degree temperature rise. A limited 12-year heat exchanger, 5-year parts, and 1-year labor warranty is available for residential use, and a limited 5-year heat exchanger, 5-year parts, and 1-year labor warranty is available for commercial use. For more information, visit the resources at SupplyHouse.com or email us with any questions.